Hey YouTube, today I want to take a look at this ShapeShift Modular Holster System by Alien Gear Holsters. This one here is made for a Sig Sauer P365 right hand drawer. I just got this in UPS. I haven't opened it. I don't know what the inside looks like. So I just wanted to do an initial unboxing and just take a look at it for the very first time. So let's get to it. Let's go ahead and try to open this thing up. We got some instructions and a little Alien Gear sticker, which is really cool. There's a video you could watch too. This looks like an Appendix carry holster. This looks very similar to an inside the waistband Alien Gear holster that I have, so I guess that's what this is for. Let's see how we get into the rest of it. There's a little feedback card to share your thoughts. I'm not sure what these are for. This here looks like the shell that comes with an optional thumb brake holster, or thumb brake, which I probably won't use. Another little piece, a paddle, which might be cool, but probably won't use the paddle. This seems like if it goes maybe with the Appendix carry. Yeah, it says there's an Appendix clip. It says this one here. There's also Appendix clip. One for large, one for small. These here for the belt slide. Oh, it says it in here. Belt slide. There was something in here, maybe it came out in one of these. Adjustable tension retention unit. This here is the free holster mount. This is where you can mount the holster to something like a table or under a dash or something. So let's take a look at the instructions and see how we put this thing together relatively quickly. Here's the shell, and here's the P365. This gun here is actually loaded. I've been carrying this all day in a holster that I don't really like. Let's see how it fits in this thing. Fits in this thing really well. The thumb brake is pretty cool, but I don't think I'd ever use it really. Might want to see how to take this up. So let's take a look at the instructions now. So this thing comes with a pretty detailed parts list that tells every little bit of part that comes with this thing, and how you would carry it. There's a lot to look at. What you would need for Appendix carry, what you would need for inside the waistband carry, and these are probably the two ways I'd use this holster more than anything else. Maybe the slide outside the waistband carry as well. The components of the shell, it tells about all the components of the shell. There's two shift shells right and left, two twist locks, and all that. Just quite a bit of detail in here. Let's go ahead and quickly configure this thing to do an inside the waistband, to be an inside the waistband holster. So the instruction says first you take these two little lock-in tabs off, and then you slide this apart. There's the outer shell, the inner shell. There's the one that has the thumb brake, if that's what you want to use. I don't want to use it. It says on this one here, go ahead and slide in. This here is the trigger guard. It says go ahead and slide the trigger guard in, secured with one of the little locks that you just took out. Then on this thing here, this is the inside the waistband back in. It says to slide this little thing here out, and this holds it in place. Then you just, I hope the lighting is good enough, then you just pop this thing on here, slide this thing back on, and go ahead and lock it in place with one of those little things. And there you have it. To adjust the trigger guard retention, you just use one of these and stick it in this little hole and turn it until you get the desired retention that you want. Let's see what it feels like. So that's not bad. Let's put it on and see what it feels like. Alright, here I have this thing inside the waistband. The belt I'm using is a Core Essentials nylon gun belt, and might have the retention a little bit too tight. It's a little bit hard to get out, so I'll have to adjust that a little bit, but fits pretty good. Doesn't show, there's no printing. Feels really good on the body, just like my other Alien Gear holsters. Let's go ahead and try another configuration now. Let's go ahead and transform this from inside the waistband using this Appendix carry, and let's see how we do this now. The instructions say you just take these things out again, just like you did before. Unlock the two half shells. I'm going to just slide this lock back in place so I don't lose it. If I could ever do that. There we go. Slide in place and just put this to the side. Here is the Appendix piece. Just pop that right in there like so. It comes with two guards. This one here is for a small frame gun, and this one here is for a large frame gun. Since this is a P365, I'm just going to use the small frame, and just like before, you just slide this in place and lock them down with the two twist locks. One there, one here. It's locked into place. Pretty good. Let's try this on and see how it looks. In Appendix carry mode, it fits fine. Doesn't fit as well as one of these with a claw on it, which tends to push the butt back into you. But it's fine. It's very comfortable. Easy to draw. Easy to draw. No chance in snagging the trigger on a reholstering because of this guard right here. Seems to be fine. Let's try it in another configuration. Let's go ahead and try this in the slide configuration. Using the same small base, just go ahead and take the twist locks off. Slide this bad boy out. Take this fella off. The slide has a trigger guard on it, so we need to remove the trigger guard from the other configuration. Here's the slide with the trigger guard. Just go ahead and slide that into place. The retention shouldn't change because you're using the same front part. Then just go ahead and lock it up with one of these twist locks, just like so it doesn't move. And we'll put this back on here. This is the other half of the slide, and just slides right into place like so. Whoa, this one's tough. There we go, and just lock that up in place too. Well, I don't think it's all the way on. There we go. Just lock that up in place too. And here we have the slide. The retention's the same. Let's go ahead and put this on and see what it feels like. Alright, so here it is in the slide. I must admit, this outside the waistband slide configuration is a little bit tighter. Even though I hadn't adjusted the retention, it's a little bit tighter than the two previous ones, but it is unbelievably comfortable. It tucks up well nice under our sweatshirt. There's no printing, but it feels unbelievably comfortable. It almost feels as if the gun isn't there. This is a pretty neat little holster. I think I'm gonna keep it in either this configuration here, using the inside the waistband, or this configuration here, using the slide. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we see you on the next one. God bless.